Here is a recap of all of the items included in today's Momentum update. Let's go ahead and go through them together. The first two items I actually want to create a separate video for. They are improvements to the dashboard, both which dashboard you can use, whether it's the legacy dashboard or the Momentum dashboard, and also if you want to default to the grids tab. So I will create a separate video for that. Moving past that, journal, preview, insert, and edit. So the journal is an extremely useful tool, right? It's an open and editable area that can display on the main details page of a client. So if I go to any client and then I go to general and then journal, you'll now notice this is no longer on the legacy page, it's Momentum. We can put it into edit mode. Go ahead and save it. Again, we can open it, we can edit it, but if we go back to the normal default page, there it is right there. So we see the journal right on the front details page. Moving past that, interactive reports, service requests. So we added a new column within interactive reports, really new reports dedicated to service requests. So if we scroll down, let's go to make sure we're viewing all reports right here, and then scroll down, you'll see the new category for service requests. We have service requests by type, service requests by status, and service requests by insurance. So these could either be things you have to do for your client or things that they requested you, almost like a help desk ticket. So you can see who your heavy hitters are in this area. And this is an improvement to a report we added in the past. We have the ability to see and apply tags to these reports. So if we go back to interactive reports, make sure we're viewing all of them, go all the way down to the public preview area. We have prospects and insureds by activity numbers. You can go in, again, this is to see who your heavy hitters are, who's, taking up your agency's time. And we added the ability to see, apply, and search tags. So you can search them up here, you can see them right here, and you can apply them right here. Next one, task categories on page edit. Task categories is a great tool, right? It's the essentially workflow setup tool, right? You could say, hey, follow through all of these steps within this task. But if I go to agency customization and I go to task categories and stages, obviously there's a full edit, but now we have this on-page edit. So you can update the information without going deep into the task category. Opportunities batch actions. We added the ability to change commission and change cost of leads. So if you have a ton of opportunities created at once and you need to mass apply a commission amount or a cost of lead amount to all of them, you just go to prospect and leads. Right here, opportunities. You can then select bulk actions right here, select however many, and then go to actions, and you'll see change cost of lead and change commission. This is a new feature that's pretty awesome. So under receivables, we added the ability to check the accounts receivable balance as of date. So I'll go more in detail on what that is. And we also added it for payables last week. But if we go to accounting items, go ahead and select receivables right here. We can then go to the new receivables page on Momentum. And then up here, you will see AR balance as of date. We can go ahead and select the actual date. It'll calculate the amount. You'll see the balance and everything. So that is a great tool. And we added the same thing to payables last week. Right here, search configurator, ability to set search slim directly from the main page, right? So if I go to before, if you wanted to set this as a slim search, what you would do is you would go to the configurator right here under the columns, and you would go to settings and you would hit search slim. This is how you could turn it off now, but if you wanted to turn it on really fast, let's say we were in the search configurator, it's right in the top right corner. slim search. So we select it, we save it, and now the search is slim. If you want to turn it off, just use the old method, uncheck it, and then it is off. Policies and quotes grid actions to add a new service request or claim. So let's go ahead and go to the policies or quotes details page, or not details page, but list menu. So right here. And then if we go to actions, we have add new, and we have the ability to create a new service request or a claim. Right here, renewals list. So I'll go ahead and go to the renewals list. We added the ability to apply a tag from the grid action, so you can access it right here, renewals, or right here under renewals. If we click on view, you'll see the list. And if you need to apply a tag, you just click on bulk actions right here, actions, apply tag. And then the last one is commission roles. We added a new search filter for line of business. So if I go to profile and I go to either agent or agency commission roles, we added a search filter for the line of business class, which let's just go ahead and enable. To enable, you go to the configurator, you click on the details of the search template. We can go ahead and select LOB class right there, save it. And now whenever we go to commission roles, we see that search filter for line of business class. So if we wanted to, search by commercial, personal, Medicare, life and health, we can do that very easily. This was another Momentum update. Thank you so much for everyone's, continued support and feedback. Thank you.